how to find memories on Snapchat. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Snapchat application and it will lead you to your camera section, right? Now here, first things first is you have to make sure that your application is updated. So all you have to do is to go here to your App Store or your Play Store depending on what device you have and type here Snapchat. Now, it's very important for you to update your application. That is because there are features, especially new features that you can only access once you update your application. So, update that application. Now, if you're done updating that application, go back here to your Snapchat application. And you have to also make sure that you have actually signed in to an account, to the account that you are looking the memories for. So, for example, I have actually opened my Snapchat account here that has the memories that I want to actually recall or visit. So here it will lead you to your camera section, right? Now, the next thing that you want to do is on the very left side here, beside the push button of the camera, you will see two images here. If you tap on that, you will see the memories. So here, basically, it will actually go down up until the very start. I have downloaded Snapchat application. And basically that is how you find memories on Snapchat. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.